Hello everyone, this is Shiva here. Welcome back to the tutorial series. Now, how are you all guys? Hope you all are doing well. Now, in the previous video, we shortened our code and learned something new and useful about the animation and all. So, today we are going to do something different. Till now, in P5JS, you learn to draw, to color, to create animations, variables, etc, etc, etc. But today's topic is different. Yeah, in the previous video I told you that it's a surprise, right? So this is the surprise that we can even write with P5JS. How awesome, right? So we can make it very big and very short. And how to do that? Let's see. So today's topic is that how to write in P5JS. So today's function, what we are going to do is a text function. With this, you will be able to write in P5JS canvas. That also using code. Not drawing with pencil around or something. Perfect code. Now, in ellipse, rect, arc, you had 3 values. Not 3, 4, 6. But in text, you will have only 3 values. The first value defines what to be written on the canvas. The second value defines the x coordinate. And the third value defines the y coordinate. So, to write the text, always the text should be in quoted, means between the quotes. In coding, we exactly do not call this letters and all in as text. We call them as strings. So let's write hello world. Perfect. Now, whatever text you want to display, write them in between quoted line, means quoted brackets, quotes. Yeah, I'm forgetting English. Okay, so we put a comma, then let's define the coordinate as in the center. So the center is 260. I think so. I don't know exactly. 180. Let's check. Ta-da! Can you guys see this hello world text? See, we wrote something using We wrote a text using P5JS, but it looks very tiny for me. Like the people who have eyesight cannot read it. It's too small. Like the old people who have eyesight. So for that we have a solution. Now this is a second function in this video. It is known as text size. Put them in brackets, and you only need to define one coordinate, that is how much pixel thickness should be the letters. I will define it as 20 maybe. See, it's increasing. 50. Whoa. Let's bring it into the canvas. 140. Perfect. I wrote word. Hello world, man. Yeah. So we wrote using P5JS. So that was for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk more about text. Means things, so how to change the color. Maybe, who knows? Wait for that. So let's revise. So what we learned is how to write in P5.js. So we use the text command for writing in P5.js. So first coordinate is what text to be displayed. So you should write them in quotes, in between the quotes, whatever to be displayed. Now you put a comma, then the second coordinate, which is the x-axis and the y-axis, and the size of the text with the second function, text size. So this defines the size of the text. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.